guys, it's really cold out here again today, so I'm not going to be out here very long today either, but I just want to talk to you a little bit about the very first mod that I decided to do on this Mach 1, and that was to do some exhaust on it. You know, I told you we're going to start off with just basic mods, and so what I did was I modified the airbox a little bit. Since these have the shaker scoop on there, I decided not to get carried away with it and go full out with a cold air intake kit or something. So I just modified it a little bit, so that way the silencer down here in the fender is gone. You know, the silencer kind of necks down a little bit inside the fender from the factory, so I took that out. That way the air box is open and it can draw air in more easily. So just, you know, basic things like that. Took the milk jug off, which is just a resonator that's on the intake tube. That way, you know, the idea obviously is to get the air to have the easiest path possible into the engine. And then on the exhaust, I decided to do something a little different since it's a Mach 1 and it is a special edition car. Decided to try a little, you know, a little different method this time, and I left the factory mufflers on the car. So basically, the catback system that comes on these cars from the factory, I left it in place, and I just put an off-road H-pipe under it. This car's got 128,000 miles on it, I think. So I figured the catalytic converters are probably getting kind of clogged up anyway, you know, dirty in there. Maybe a little bit restrictive at this point. So we put an off-road H-pipe on this car and left the factory catback on it, and that should open it up pretty well. The Mach 1 and the Cobras had specially tuned mufflers for these cars, so I wanted to maintain a little bit of the stock integrity. And what I'm going to do now is post a clip onto this video to show you what it sounds like with just the factory catback and the H-pipe. So check it out, and there will be more to come as we do a few more bolt-on mods to this thing, and then we'll try to set up an appointment to take it to the dyno hopefully pretty soon. Okay guys, thanks.